Welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can reveal Sendit username and messages from Snapchat. So if we go forward and open the Sendit application right here, just a few moments please. Okay, so this is our Sendit application, and if you want to check the messages, you have this option inbox right here. So in inbox, in order to see the messages and the username, the thing is that you need the diamond member, which is of course is paid. So I'm going to show you a workaround for that in order to check someone's username and messages. So if you go to the Snapchat and you post a story, so let's open the Snapchat app right here real quick, and right here on the Snapchat application you can post a story, and after you post that story you'll have the option to see who viewed your story. So the first person that appears right here on your story section, where it says who viewed your story, let's add to the story. Okay, so I have selected this clip right here to add to my story, and let's say okay. So basically this is my story, and you are able to see who viewed your story, and the first person that view your story, you can check here, you can check that person right here, and then you'll be able to find that person on the Sendit application. So this is all for today, guys, and if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.